Hi friends, welcome to Circuit K. Today we have a very huge system to fix. We can see how wide the motherboard is. A very huge system. Look at the screen side here. Look at how big the screen is. A very old model system. Okay, so this system is very easy to fix. It's very easy to fix. You can see the parts are everywhere. They are easy to fix. So the problem with this one, it comes of no picture on the screen. So we already test the screen is working. So we're sure the screen is fine, but no picture on screen. So looking at this, I think this will be a backlight issue. So I want to share this method with you guys, how to fix issues like this. So let's come with the charger. As you can see, here is the charger, plug-in charger. Okay, let's power it on. Okay, same is on. So right on the screen, no picture. Okay, so let's check using external keyboard. Please pay attention here, as you can see. So this tells that this system motherboard is fine. It's displaying. So the problem we're having is backlight. So there's nothing wrong with the picture of this system, just the backlight. That's why we can't see any stuff on this screen. But if we look right inside of this screen, you can see that they are right up, right inside, but it's dark. So what we're going to do now, let's check what is missing, what kind of voltage is missing, because I'm very sure that we are having missing voltage, 19 volts or 18.5 volt, feeding this screen inverter. You understand? So there's inverter board on this screen. So this system is, the screen is lacking 19 volts. Alright, so let's take out the screen. Okay, we'll have to zoom in. Okay, as you can see here, here is the LED that is a fuse. There's a fuse there. You can see a very little fuse here. You can see small fuse here. So let's monitor the voltage on that fuse. So right on continuity mode, as you can see. So let's check again. You've seen the fuse is blown up. The fuse is blown up. So let's check the volt. On DC mode, let's check the volt. Right on the charger, we have 19.2. So we are expecting to see 19.2 after the second terminal of the fuse. Okay, let's go. Right on the input. Okay, let's power on the system. Alright. Same is turned on. So on the input, we have 19 volts. Then on the output, we should have 19 volts. And we have 0 volt. As you can see, we have 0 volt. So let's go again. On the input, we have 19 volts. On the output, we have 0 volt. So can you see? Can you see? That's looking more like a small resistor. It's so tiny that I can't, like, it's so tiny. Let's zoom again. So tiny. Okay. It's so tiny. All right. So as you can see on this track here, on this track, this is the 19-volt track. Then here is the output. This is the pin that carries 19 volts to power the screen. As you can see, this terminal power the screen. The screen inverter is powered from this terminal. So here is 0 volt and here is 19 volt. So what I'm going to do, I will have to bridge here, cross a cable from here to this point. You can see this is the output here. So I don't have this fuse to replace. So I will use a fuse wire, a proper fuse wire, yes, to do this connection. So, all right, so let's do it together. So let's apply paste. All right. All right, so it's perfect that way. All right, so let's connect the screen. Do you think it will work? Okay. So let's test. Let's test. Plug in a charger. Okay. Pressing the power button. The same is on. All right, so we have picture. As you can see, we have picture. We have picture. All right, guys. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Tell me what you think about this repair in the comment section. How do you rate it? Is it 10 over 10 or 1 over 10? Let us know in the comment section. Thanks for watching. Bye.